Today vlog world, you don't know it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the bucket, Joe. Are we not dropping a funny?
Yeah, come on.
My youth, me not turn back.
Why, you a Christian?
Me tell him so me not turn back and he said me a Christian. Yes. Yeah, the rain is coming down. Bucket, Joe. I'm on my way to the movies. Outfit of the day. He said me not idiot. I'm not she idiot. He's so...
She's just in it.
Yeah. He's such a joker, yo. So...
Don't, we're not going to show up.
Hi, Mr. Vincent. All along I want you watch her. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna be late. It's supposed to be for 6 o'clock and it's 2. You know man who take with people? But drive on car like this? Yeah. You know me I talk? Yeah. Yesterday me here. Watch out! Key, I'm tell mom if you tell us if you call me if you not come up by a certain time, you know.
Yeah.
Me I go movies.
Oh, where you going movies?
My friend Ocean.
Okay. Yeah, okay. No, me never started seriously.
Me go try get taxi there.
Yeah, take it personal. Yeah, man. Yeah. Take
Yeah, I think I'm gonna be late.
Yo, Melissa, you know,
Yo, my youth, I fool take me fan of youth.
Melissa, the rain on.
Fool take me fan of youth.
So me black, we are shooting a picture person.
Yeah, guys, so I rain come down. I didn't bring my umbrella or anything. I just brought my purse and my jacket.
Umbrella, they are foreign here.
What? Who name's so?
You say umbrella, they are foreign. Umbrella, no artist.
No.
No. You can umbrella.
He's the umbrella artist. Hey, this guy is so funny. Bulky Joe, my youth, Rena, come down.
You can't tap it.
Anyway, guys, I'm gonna get a drive.
Baby, can you stop the rain? Push me a face.
Vanny, yo, me wonder if we turn back. Go
Yeah,
up.
go turn back. Yeah, there.
Bulky Joe, yo, come on there. Yo, Mr. Manad, the boat, you.
We're gonna do.
So we're gonna do.
We're gonna do.
Yo, me wonder if no carry come up or so.
I don't know if a car comes, but I know that I come. I'm a yammed boy, okay? Look at it. Yam.
All along I watch you watch her. Man, you can sing something for you, vlog.
Oh, me know I sing for you start. Then you like him and say, watch him, you can't sing.
Just go sing something now, and me go sing back. Never sing back, sir.
No, me can't.
My youth, tell me. Van, look how much song in our world. Any song, sing one song, my youth. Can you stop the rain from falling?
What about fly? The guys on my fly. Why? You make them cry. Alright.
Baby, can you stop the rain? Come, go on. You go for it. Hey, your dog picture, you know, my, come up in the light, that's so. Anyways, Vanny, come.
Baby, can you stop the rain?
Come up somewhere now. Come up somewhere to yourself. My you come up somewhere else now.
Yeah, that's bad. No, we
alright, just come to my youth. See like in the
Melissa, listen, I'm not photogenic.
Alright. Alright, so come up with something want to go in a speaker. Just call my youth. And start going like you're a nerd.
No,
my youth, I love how you go like you're a nerd more while my youth. I win a roll. Just sing the piece where you know.
What? Can you stop the rain from falling?
Yes.
That's all I know.
Sing.
God know.
Sing, alright, sing what you know.
Sing what I know. Baby, can you stop the rain from falling?
Hey, your boy can't sing and him a go like you have no sense. Yo, comment below and tell me if he can sing or he cannot sing.
I'm gonna call we a Bex with him.
Yeah. So guys, the movie is complete. We have Ocean right here.
Hello.
Yeah, the movie was I don't know, Denzel Washington. Fences. I'm not gonna lie. Nice movie.
Shot.
Really, I highly recommend it.
Denzel movie them always good.
Highly recommend. Not in a lie, when I tell you emotional and sick.
Why your phone's being pretty though?
Yeah.
Something like this. Pretty.
So guys, check out that movie. I think this is where I end this vlog. So please remember to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button.
Skylife.
Skylife TV.
Skylife TV.
Hey vlog world. You know it's MELICASKYLIFE in the building. How are you doing today? Are you doing great? Great. Guys, I'm here at Fairview currently waiting on... Guys, I did my hair. When I pull out, it looks nice. It looks nice, ketchup too, but when I pull out, it looks real good. Yeah, I'm waiting on a gift that I requested them to do here, and it's not finished yet, so I have to give them like a half an hour. I'm pretty upset about it because I came here from last week Tuesday. I wanted it to be finished. Guys, if you're not on my Snapchat, because I have an exciting event coming up, but if you're not on my Snap, you're not gonna see, right? So guys, please add me up on Snapchat. It's MELICASKYLIFE. Don't blame me for not see the clip them because maybe I'm not go vlog. No know them thing they go on things. So you guys, I'm just here now, chilling, trying to get the stuff. Them say a half an hour. Them say a half an hour time before them ready for me. Somebody are going to look for some gifts and stuff. Not some gifts, some toys and stuff. So cute. I'm gonna get one of this soon. A real one. No bother with me. Yeah, so guys, I'm just here killing the 30 minutes until they call me. There's my head. Oh guys, I lost 15 pounds. I lost more than 15 pounds, but over the holiday I put on like back 5 pounds, so I roughly lost 20 pounds in maybe 2 months. 2 months. That is so amazing. I feel so much different, and I want to lose like, say, 20 more pounds. And that's a big goal. That's a great achievement for me. I'm so excited about it because I see the difference in my clothes. Like my clothes them can't fit me no more. I have to go shopping or take in my old clothes them or something because they can't fit. And I'm just so excited about the weight loss because my weight is something that I've been struggling with for a while, and then I started to lose the weight so rapidly without even trying that hard, you know. But I'm going to do a review on some of the things that I did or is still doing, because I try to work out Saturdays and Sundays on the hill if you're watching the vlogs. Yes, so I'm going to do a talk through in terms of what I do to try to maintain this weight that I have now. That's 15 pounds less from my last weight, and I'm going to go lower because I lost like 20 pounds, but I put on back 5 as I said. But it's not recommended to lose weight so fast because you're not healthy, man. Like when I start losing the weight that fast, like it frightened me. Yeah, it frightened me for a little bit. But guys, I'm so excited, and I'm so happy that I have my YouTube channel and everything is going well. Guys, if you're not on my business channel, that's Melicaallen, I'm gonna link that below, and it's on the channel as well. There are some links on the channel, you can click on it. As my business channel, I'm going to be uploading some stuff on there to really help you guys start your YouTube channel, know how to create content and stuff like that, you know. I have very big plans for Skylife TV because I'm about uplifting others and, you know, baitings. So guys, keep it locked. If you don't follow me, I chat out no all day. What is this? I want to cup with some glitter stuff. Me and Punky go start the more challenges. I keep saying it, but Punky have CXCs coming up. I soon start back school, so yeah. Because he blend what? Because he's been down to listen, I will pay as long as I have. Oh, it's so cute. You'll always be my best friend. This is so cute as well. So guys, yeah, keep it locked to Skylife TV, and please guys, remember to subscribe. Don't be scared to send me any messages on Snapchat or here on YouTube or any other platform that I'm on. Also guys, please head over to my Facebook fan page. I started my fan page because I'm gonna start going live from my fan page to connect with you guys. So go over there and like that page. Like, you know, when you have such a big vision and you know so you're gonna achieve it because you're willing to put in the work, you know guys. So thank you guys. I can't thank you guys enough. I feel very appreciated, and I'm very proud of me and of you guys of accepting me so good. Peace. Thank you so much for stopping by MELICASKYLIFE TV. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscription button. I'll see you on the next vlog.